The concept of telepathy has long fascinated humanity, weaving its way through the fabric of folklore, fiction, and scientific inquiry. The idea that one mind can directly communicate with another, bypassing the traditional channels of speech and gesture, raises profound questions about the nature of consciousness, the limits of human capability, and the very essence of what it means to connect with another being. While telepathy is often relegated to the realm of science fiction, the scientific community has not entirely dismissed the possibility. Instead, it has approached the phenomenon with a mixture of skepticism and curiosity, leading to a rich tapestry of research and speculation. Telepathy, derived from the Greek words tele, meaning distant, and pathos, meaning feeling or perception, suggests a form of communication that transcends physical barriers. The allure of telepathy lies in its promise of deeper understanding and connection, allowing individuals to share thoughts, emotions, and intentions without the limitations of language. Imagine a world where misunderstandings could be eliminated, where empathy could be experienced in its purest form, and where the nuances of human interaction could be enhanced through direct mental connection. Such possibilities ignite the imagination and inspire both scientific inquiry and artistic exploration. Historically, telepathy has been associated with various spiritual and metaphysical traditions. Many cultures have myths and legends of individuals with extraordinary abilities to perceive the thoughts of others or to communicate across vast distances without spoken words. These stories often portray telepathy as a gift or a curse, bestowing unique powers upon certain individuals while simultaneously isolating them from the rest of humanity. In the modern era, telepathy has found a place in popular culture, appearing in countless books, movies, and television shows. Characters endowed with psychic abilities capture our fascination, serving as vessels for exploring the complexities of human relationships and the potential for connection beyond the physical realm. Despite its prevalence in folklore and fiction, the scientific exploration of telepathy is a more recent endeavor. The late 19th and early 20th centuries saw the rise of parapsychology, a field dedicated to studying phenomena that lie outside the realm of conventional science, including telepathy, clairvoyance, and psychokinesis. Researchers such as J.B. Rhine at Duke University conducted experiments designed to test the validity of telepathic communication. Rhine's work involved the use of Zener cards, a set of cards featuring simple symbols, to determine whether individuals could accurately guess the symbols being thought of by others. While some results suggested the possibility of telepathic communication, the studies were often criticized for methodological flaws and the difficulty of replicating findings. The scientific community largely dismissed telepathy as a pseudoscience, relegating it to the fringes of inquiry. However, the advent of modern neuroscience and advancements in technology have rekindled interest in the possibility of mind-to-mind communication. Brain imaging techniques, such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, and electroencephalography, EEG, have enabled researchers to observe brain activity in real time, providing insights into the workings of the human mind. These tools have opened new avenues for understanding how thoughts and emotions are processed and how they might be transmitted between individuals. Some studies have explored the neural correlates of empathy, revealing that certain brain regions are activated when one person observes another experiencing an emotion. This suggests that our brains are wired for connection, potentially laying the groundwork for more direct forms of communication. One intriguing area of research involves the concept of brain-to-brain communication, where scientists have begun to explore the feasibility of transmitting information between brains using technology. In a groundbreaking study, researchers at the University of Washington successfully demonstrated a form of direct brain communication between two individuals using non-invasive brain stimulation and computer interfaces. Participants were able to convey simple messages, such as hello, through a series of brain signals, bypassing traditional communication methods. While this research is still in its infancy and far from the telepathy depicted in popular culture, it raises compelling questions about the potential for direct neural interaction in the future. Another aspect of the telepathy debate centers around the role of consciousness and the nature of thought itself. What is thought, and how does it manifest in the brain? Theories of consciousness, ranging from materialistic perspectives that view consciousness as a byproduct of neural processes, to more holistic approaches that consider consciousness as a fundamental aspect of reality, influence how researchers approach the question of telepathy. If consciousness is indeed a shared phenomenon, as some theories suggest, then the possibility of telepathic communication may not be as far-fetched as it seems. The interconnectedness of human experience could imply that thoughts and emotions are not entirely confined to individual minds, but may exist in a collective consciousness waiting to be tapped into. Skeptics of telepathy often point to the lack of empirical evidence and the challenges of replicating results in controlled studies. The scientific method relies on reproducibility and verifiable results, and telepathy has yet to meet these stringent criteria. Furthermore, the complexities of human cognition and the myriad factors that influence perception and interpretation complicate the investigation of telepathic phenomena. The placebo effect, confirmation bias, and the power of suggestion can all play significant roles in shaping perceptions of telepathy, leading individuals to believe they have experienced mind reading when, in fact, other explanations may be at play. Yet, the allure of telepathy persists, and the desire for deeper connection remains a fundamental aspect of the human experience. As technology continues to evolve, the boundaries between minds may blur further, allowing for new forms of communication that challenge our understanding of connection. Virtual reality, brain-computer interfaces, and advancements in artificial intelligence may pave the way for novel interactions that mimic the essence of telepathy, even if they do not fit the traditional definition of mind reading. In parallel, the exploration of telepathy prompts philosophical inquiries into the nature of self and other. If thoughts can be shared directly, what does that mean for individuality? The boundaries of selfhood become porous, and the traditional understanding of personal identity may be challenged. The implications of telepathy extend beyond mere communication. They touch on ethics, privacy, and the very fabric of human relationships. The prospect of mind reading raises questions about consent and the right to one's thoughts, leading to discussions about the moral responsibilities that come with such abilities. Moreover, the pursuit of telepathy may reflect deeper psychological needs for connection and understanding. In an increasingly digital world, where communication often occurs through screens, the desire for authentic connection drives individuals to seek out new ways of relating to one another. The quest for telepathy may symbolize a yearning for intimacy, empathy, and the dissolution of barriers that separate us. It serves as a reminder that, despite the challenges of communication, the human spirit seeks to bridge gaps and forge connections that transcend the limitations of language. As we navigate the complexities of the human experience, the question of telepathy invites us to explore the unknown. While the scientific community may remain skeptical, the pursuit of understanding the mind and its potential continues to inspire inquiry and imagination. The possibility of telepathy challenges us to consider the nature of consciousness, the limits of communication, and the depths of human connection. Whether telepathy is ultimately proven to be a reality or remains a tantalizing notion, its exploration enriches our understanding of ourselves and our relationships with others. In conclusion, the science of telepathy is a multifaceted and evolving field that straddles the boundaries of science, philosophy, and human experience. While the empirical evidence for mind reading remains elusive, the exploration of telepathy opens up new avenues for understanding consciousness, connection, and the intricate web of human relationships. As we continue to investigate the mysteries of the mind, the allure of telepathy serves as a beacon, guiding us toward deeper exploration of what it means to be human and how we relate to one another in an ever-changing world. The journey into the unknown may yield insights that challenge our perceptions and expand our understanding of the potential for connection that lies within each of us.